My name's Kristen Hoffman, and I'm the hospital administrator for the Veterinary Specialty and Emergency Center.
My name's Rebecca Orsher Stempowitz, and I am the practice manager for the Veterinary Specialty and Emergency Center.
My name's Andrea Orsher, Newman Orsher. I'm married to Robert Orsher, so he's my husband.
So I'm Deb Blades. I'm the technician manager across all 3 locations at VSEC.
My name is Dr. Laura Sang. I have been at VSEC since 2003.
I'm Dr. Joanna Bassert, Director of Veterinary Technology at Manor College. I guess the truth of the matter is I don't really remember meeting Dr. Orsher. He was always there. When I was a 4th-year student, he was definitely one of the premier residents in surgery.
Well, we knew each other growing up. We weren't friends, but we knew of each other. And then we met taking the GRE's, Graduate Record Exam, for vet school at Villanova University. And we just re-met. And he said he was applying to vet school, and I said, yeah, well, so am I.
Both of my parents are veterinarians, and so veterinary medicine was always a big part of my life growing up. You know, we talk about it at the dinner table.
My first impressions were, oh my gosh, he's so intimidating. He's like this big, surgeon guy who's in charge of everything, and he's really smart. And then I got to know him, and he's a mentor. He's my mentor. He's a mentor of the doctor team here, our referring community.
We went out for a lunch interview at a place that no longer exists on Route 1, and there was salad bar, kind of like a chain place. But we had a great conversation, and I felt like we really connected on a lot of different ways in terms of practice philosophy.
Well, I think he evolved as he went through vet school, and it really, as he finished vet school, I did an internship. He decided maybe he should do an internship, and then he really found his passion in surgery, and that developed obviously later during his residency. And I think my father was this huge influence on him. I don't think, he was. Encouraging him to keep moving forward and to find bigger and better ways to improve his career. And so he really encouraged him to leave the university and start his own practice.
When we have important news about our growth, he gets the team together. And not only the admin team, he gets everybody together in our main treatment room, and he delivers the news and how it will and won't affect them. And that's key to keeping people together in the face of change.
I think he always advocates for the right thing, and he's not shy about talking about what the right thing is.
Rob is a person who is extremely passionate about the profession. He cares deeply about animals, he cares deeply about veterinary medicine, and he knows that veterinary technicians are an integral part of excellent medicine.
We need to educate more veterinary technicians. I mean, it's really hard to find really well-trained and educated techs. I mean, a lot of people get into this industry by working their way up, which is great. You start as a kennel assistant, and you get trained on the job, and we need that too. We need people who want to do that, but having the educational background and the backbone for when you go to work and practice is really important.
So Rob has been a key supporter of Manor College as an educator of veterinary technicians. And one of the first projects that we worked on was getting an x-ray machine. He was instrumental in helping us raise money for it. He sent out a letter to all of the regional veterinary practices and solicited veterinarians from the area, and especially veterinarians that used our graduates.
He is actively involved in Manor College and helping Dr. Bassert to kind of just grow the program, because she's got it. She's awesome what she does, and so they need a little bit of help with the expansion.
One of the things that Manor needs is an updated state-of-the-art OR, and we have done an excellent job with the facility that we've had. We spay and neuter over 80 animals a year just in our existing small OR, and we want to do more.
One of the things that Rob always talks about is, try to treat every client, every primary care vet, every, colleague you interact with like it's someone in your family, because that's what people want.
The steadfastness, I guess, is the family feel. I keep going back to that because it's really important to me personally and professionally, and I'm recruiting literally every day. I'm recruiting CVTs.
The place that Dr. Orsher touches my heart is just in the day-to-day. We are treated like his family.
One of the things that I appreciate very much about Rob is that he never hesitates to help someone.
When gas prices skyrocketed a few summers ago and our employees who had just gotten some raises, then there goes all their raises to paying for gas. He and his partners came together and purchased gas cards for all of our associates.
So on behalf of the countless number of people that Rob has helped, I just want to thank him for all of the great things that he has done. For the profession, for individuals, for the animals, for surgery. It's been a wonderful experience knowing him and being his friend and colleague.